Hello, and thanks for joining us for this week of Music at Home. Our theme this week is going to be talking about some animals. So we're going to be doing a song this morning called I Know a Chicken. And you're going to need a shaker or bells, something that makes some noise. You might remember a couple weeks ago I just used a Tupperware with some chocolate chips in it. You could use a macaroni box, a key ring. If you have a toy in the living room that you like, maybe a box with Legos in it. I mean, it can be anything you want that makes noise. So we are going to be learning our I Know a Chicken song. At first, you're just going to be shaking that egg along to our beat. So it'd be and then I'll give you some extra directions once the song starts. Here we go. I know a chicken, and she laid an egg. Oh, I know a chicken, and she laid an egg. Oh my goodness, it's a shaky egg. Now shake it fast, shake it fast, shake it fast, shake it fast. Shake your egg fast. And stop. Nice job. Great fast shaking. Hopefully you are keeping your shaker close to your body. You're shaking it with small movements just to make sure you're being expected and safe. Now this time, you heard me sing it once. You might have noticed I left some spaces after my singing. That is for you to echo this song back to me. So if I sing, I know a chicken, it's your turn to sing, I know a chicken, then I'll sing, and she laid an egg, and she laid an egg. Exactly. All right, here we go, second time. Well, I know a chicken, and she laid an egg. Oh, I know a chicken, and she laid an egg. Oh my goodness, it's a shaky egg. Shake it slow. You know how it goes. Shake it slow. You know how it goes. Shake it slow, slow, slow. You know how it goes. Well, I know a chicken, and she laid an egg. Well, I know a chicken, and she laid an egg. Oh my goodness, it's a shaky egg. Shake it up high, touch the sky. Shake it down low, by your toes. Shake it high, low, shake it fast and slow. Very nice. All right, we're doing one more time. Let me hear you singing. Well, I know a chicken, and she laid an egg. Well, I know a chicken, and she laid an egg. Oh my goodness, it's a shaky egg. Shake it in a circle. Shake it in a circle, all around now. Shake it all around now. Shake your shaky, shaky, shaky egg. And ta-da! Excellent job. Nice shaking, and I'll see you in the next song.